Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You are seeing abstract pour painting on the panels and then you will be seeing on the round canvas. This is a workshop conducted by my artist friend Archana. Those interested in buying such paintings can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in description. You can see my different exclusive artworks in my channel, and I take orders and teach online classes for professional courses. Those interested can join my courses. I teach basic and advanced courses starting from 1000 onwards. This is simple acrylic pour painting. The colors of the acrylic bottles are used and little water is mixed for its consistency in the colors, and then different techniques in pour painting are used with thread pulling, then again with the stick. In this acrylic pour painting you can change the design as you wish. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.